How to level relics using only 1 and 2 star relics. This is not the method of forging relics, but it is merely my method of forging relics. Use it if you'd like. If not, it's okay. Number 1, battle until your treasure room is completely full of relics only. Remove all spells, troops, and titans from your treasure room. Number 2, make sure you have plenty of food for forging. Go loot for more food if necessary. Number 3, be sure to rub your eternal shrine if you have one. It increases your chances of success. Number 4, choose a relic you need to level up the most. Five, take every last 1 and 2 star relic you have and dump it into that one relic. Focus on one relic at a time. Try your best to forge all your 1 stars before forging any 2 stars. Number 7, once you get started with the forging process, do not stop until all your 1 and 2 stars are completely gone. Number 8, when your treasure room becomes full again from day-to-day gameplay, just repeat the process. This method of forging has given me 3 to 8 successes consistently. My average is around 6, and the most I've ever done in one session are 9 successes. So let's get started.
Hey, this is Hutch, aka Trillington, bringing the Trill Deal to the DOT community. What's up, peoples? This is actually my first video, and what I wanted to show in this video is forging. I know that the devs are rolling out new changes, and one of those changes are going to be the way the relics are forged. And to be honest, I'm a little apprehensive about that. However, just wanted to let you guys know that forging can be very successful. So I am going to take us through a forging session. And as you can see over here, I have right now I have 89 relics in my treasure room. I wasn't going to do this video until tomorrow, but I'm noticing that my relics are disappearing. They're expiring. You know, they only last 48 hours in your treasure room. And so I am going to go out and do a few battles, and once I get a few more relics under my belt, I want to get to plus 99 is what I want to do. So I am going to do that, and then I'm going to come back to you guys and show you how this is done. All right, see you in a bit. All right, so I'm back at you guys once again. I just did a few battles, hoping to get a good deal more relics, right? So you see I'm plus 99, but that number is deceiving because, you know, out of all the battles I did, most of the drops that I got this time around, right now the game is in the mode of dropping spells and troops. So I didn't get many relics, but that's okay. I figured I better go ahead and go on and forge these because my next relics are due to be deleted in like 45 minutes or less. Let's see. Take a look at them. I have 17 minutes before that one is deleted. And the thing is, I have no idea if that's a 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, you know. So let's go ahead and get to forging these relics. All right. So the thing is, what I do, first thing I do is I go through these relics. And usually I try to delete all of the spells and the troops out of here so that I leave nothing but relics in the treasure room, right? So if I have excess troops, or if I need to delete some troops in order to fit them in, I'll just go ahead and do that. Troops are easy to come by for me. titans or spells. I just go ahead and delete them all. I just go ahead and remove them from the treasure room. And if I have to make room elsewhere, I'll do what I have to do to make room. All right, so we're going to exit out of here. And I'm just going to go to my Titan Hall via here. And today I am going to level up. Okay, my Orb of Death is at level 5. So I want to attempt to level it all the way up right here, right now, using only 1 and 2 star relics, right? So what I want to do is go back. Forgot this. I want to take advantage of my Eternal Shrine. I don't play. Listen, this thing is in the game for a reason, and it says the Eternal Shrine. That legend says drinking from the shrine will bring you luck. So I am not going to bypass this. I'm going to pop it open and I'm going to rub my finger on it. Dagnabbit. And then I'm going to go back into my Titan Hall. Choose my Titan Relic. And forge. Okay, so what I have is all my 1-star relics, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do all the 1 stars that I have available that I can get to. I'm going to forge all those first. I'm not going to move up to any 2s and definitely no 3s. I'm not going to forge any 3s tonight unless, you know, I'm doing ridiculously well and I got it all the way up to 9 and I want to get it to full level. I might try a couple of 3 stars, maybe, just for the video, but let's just go ahead and start forging these and see what happens. Now, my goal is not to, oh my God, this has got to be successful. This has got to be successful. I'm not worried about each individual forge that I do being successful. What I'm doing is clearing room and making room. So I'm clearing out all of my 1-star and 2-star relics, and however many times I get successful forges, good for me, right? That's my mindset, right? So that's 2 tries. And also I like to try different patterns and things, and there's nothing in the handbook or nothing that I've read that says this makes sure this would make your forgers more successful. It's just what I do. It's just how I do it. So I mix them up 2 and 2 until I get a bunch of randoms, and then I go for the randoms. Well, that was a success. That took a lot longer than usual, but I'll take it because I've only done 1 stars, and that was a lot of forging for that one, but again, it was only 1 star, so I'll take it. Let's see here. Let's get my scimitar. Now, I expect more success before this is all said and done. We haven't even got to our 2s yet. And usually when my 1s lag, my 2s pick up the slack. So, and usually when I do real well with the 1 star successfuls or successful forges, the 2s aren't quite as successful. But honestly, I usually get 4 or 5 success when I do this. So, no worries for me right now. Okay, so that's a 2-star. So that's whop. Going down to 5%, but it doesn't matter because it's going to be a repetitive accumulation. I wonder why. That works. There go another success. See how that works? I don't know if you guys may not be believing because it took so long to get here, but yet and still, I've only used 1 star relic so far. So if this is all I get, I'm not feeling bad, but I would feel maybe it should have been better. But I believe I'm going to get more success before it's all said and done. Because again, I still have all my 2 stars to forge. And I still have 55 relics in the treasure room. Now who knows what rarity they are, but let's just continue on and make this happen. Okay, so I have let's do Yeah, 2 stars from here on out, baby. Alright, let's see. I have never owned anything but, never even seen in game anything but a 2-star great Drake scales. I've never seen a 1-star Drake scale. I've never seen a 3-star or 4-star Drake scale, but I see in the DOT goes another success, guys. So that's the 3rd success, using only 1 and 2. 1 and 2-star relics. Look at that. So that's 4 successes. 4. Count them. One more and I'll have this joker leveled up. Down to 8%, but I don't look at that. Doesn't matter. It's gonna be a good relic to have leveled up too. There we go. I'm fully loaded, baby. So now, let's see how many, how many 2 stars I have left. If it's enough, I'll switch relics and try to work on something else. But here we have it. Oh no, did that just in the nick of time. I only had 1 2-star left. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop there. It's been real, guys. I just wanted to let you know. And this is, I don't know, this is kind of intermediate success for me. Of course, that's all we could do is go to the limit, right? 5, but we did make it right before, you know, we just got down to the last 2-star relic. And there I have it. I've successfully cleared my treasure room. And my relic slots in my forge portion, or in my forge section, only have, except for the exception of 1, have nothing but 3 and 4-star relics. And I'll keep those until I'm completely full to capacity with nothing but 4 and 3-star relics in my slots, right? And then I'll have the awesome problem of having to forge 3-star relics, other than the accumulative 1 and 2 stars that I have during battle, right? But there you have it, guys. There you have it. And there it is, the fully leveled Orb of Death. That's gonna be nice. And this is how I level my relics. I never use 3 stars, never use 4s. And I hear people saying, you know, well, I have to forge a 4-star into it to get it. No, you don't. Trust me, I never do it. Never have. Well, I have, but it's been a long time ago since I figured this out. It just goes with the flow of the game, right? It goes with the flow of the game. You just play your game, and whenever your treasure room fills up, you know, all you have to do, you know, just make sure you have plenty of food, which I had. You weed out all of your titans, you weed out your spells and your troops, and you make sure you have nothing but relics in your treasure room. And then you go for it, man. You just get you forge all of your 1 and your 2 stars. And really what your goal is to clear out all of your 1 and 2 stars, right? And be left with nothing but, you know, unless you're using your 2 stars, of course. But I don't use 2 stars, so you get rid of all the relics that you're not using in your 1 and 2 stars. And while doing so, you're going to level up your relics. So I hope somebody enjoys this, or this is something that will help someone's game. right? If there's a reason why you would rather not, or if this is not a tactic that can work for you because it doesn't go with the way or the flow that you play the game, right? Please let me know in the comments. I'm interested to know.